Hey everyone, welcome to Gadget Mix. So this is my S23 Ultra and I am upgrading to S23, the normal version, because I was just too tired of the big size. I just wanted something more pocketable, so I went for the regular size S24. And given how nice the deals are right now, I jumped over to make use of this opportunity. This is the gray version, 256 GB, and it costed me 58,000 rupees, which is about $650. And there it is. The S24 looks amazing in gray. I think this is the best color for the S24. Let's see what else is there in the box. Of course, you get the phone. I think this is used to pick the phone up. And there's a slight ribbon here which is useful for, okay, you can pick the phone this way. And the entire front fascia is covered with black guard per se. And to give you an idea of the sizes, there you go. This is the cream one, cream S23 Ultra, and this is the S24. Let me take it out of its case to give you a better idea. This is, by the way, a matte case from a company, ESR, I think. Looks very nice, but its time had come, I think. There you go. This is, I think, 6.9 inches or 6.8 inches. This is, I think, 5.2 inches or 0.3 inches. I'm not too sure, but it is a big difference in the size. And I really like the pocketable design. On the sides you have steel rails, which is quite an upgrade from S22, which I also own. Looks very nice from the side, very premium from the sides. On the bottom we have the charger. This is the speakerphone grill. This is the SIM card tray. This is the dual SIM version. Nothing on the left side. On the top we have two microphones, probably noise cancelling. On the right we have the power jack, power button, and and a single volume rocker button. Yeah, pretty much very simple, and you get all the goodies which you get on the S24 Ultra. Of course, the AI stuff and all that stuff, except for the S Pen. I think I will miss the S Pen, but I really wanted a smaller size, so yeah. Let's see what else is there in the box. Nothing on this side. On this side we have, I think, there's no charger, which is kind of a bummer. And when you're spending so much, you don't get anything. It's kind of hot. With one phone in the hand, with one hand, this is USB 3, USB-C to USB-C cable. Very useful for transferring data from one phone to another. And what else is there? Some documentation. Let me see what else is there. And yes, SIM card ejector tool, and that's pretty much it. Two papers, pretty minimal packaging, no earphones, nothing, nada, and that's it. And these are my initial impressions. I'm going to power this thing on. Let's power it on. So satisfying, huh? There you go. This is the S24 Ultra, and this is the S23 Ultra. Hope you like this video. Give this video a like and share with your friends. Yep, pretty big difference in the size, but I like it. Not everything has to be big.